Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing great because I am too. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, y'all? I hope y'all doing great because I am too. What I'm coming at y'all today with is my Fashion Nova haul, long awaited. I got this package a couple days ago, like last week sometime. I still just wanted to try on my items for y'all because I did get a decent amount of stuff. It's winter time, so you know we starting to bundle up with your little coat. Even though Cardi said a hoe never get cold, like, you know, we still gotta bundle up at least a little bit of layers of shine. It'll just be my first impressions, or me basically just modeling the wear and stuff like that, so y'all can see how it fits on my frame for people that have the same body type and stuff as me. My information on all that stuff will be up in the description, so please make sure you go and check that out. Any questions, leave them up in the comments, but I think we just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm looking like a little snack though. I'm looking like a snack, low key. Enjoy. I like the straps.
This right here is astronomical.
This is so soft. Oh my god.
My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30 and 100 rounds too. Cooking up dope with a Uzi.
To the moon, I wanna be with the stars. Send me.
We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come in the gang. We got 30 and 100 rounds too.
To the moon, I wanna be with the stars.
They fucking so dick and they bustin' for Instagram. Get your clout up.
Into a bed.
So that was all for my little haul, my little Fashion Nova shit. I just had so much fun doing that, but it was incredibly hot to the point where I literally just had to take a break. It was so hot. Y'all just lucky I love you. Y'all just lucky I love you. what y'all should do because y'all love me so much. So while I'm sitting here burning up in hell trying to try on my thought clothes for y'all should just show y'all appreciation real quick by like hitting that subscribe button. I don't normally ask for it, but I'm asking for it this time. So like, what's up? What you gonna do? Now for real, you should subscribe. Like, I'm lit, as y'all can see. Like, I'm lit, I'm cute, I'm sure y'all cute too, so go ahead, like, follow me on my social medias. We can be friends, we can be pals, and I know how to dress nice. Like, y'all could be seeing my outfits and stuff, complimenting me. I could be watching y'all stories, hyping you up. Like, you know, we just all positive. So follow me on Snapchat, I post daily. Follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. I did have a lot of fun filming that, so go ahead and check out my other videos. Thank y'all for watching. I think that's all. If y'all have any questions about any of the sizing or clothing items that I showed y'all, please just make sure y'all leave them up in the comments, or you can ask me on one of my social medias, because like I said, I'm on there daily, so I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a great night, day, 3 a.m. because it's probably the time you're watching this, if you're being honest. Peace out, deuces, adios, bye.